In this video, we're going to talk about the LCM, the lowest common multiple. Most kids find this pretty easy to do. Finding multiples is something you've been doing since you first learned to count, so skip counting. So it's not one of the harder skills here. So let's start by finding the multiples of 2, then we'll find the multiples of 5, and then we'll find the lowest common one. So multiples of 2 first, and remember multiple is the answer to any number if you can multiply it by. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so we can just skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Miss Cooper, how high do we go? We're looking for the lowest common multiple, so as soon as you think you might have a multiple, you can stop. I usually go, I've done 8 or so here. Then I'm gonna look and see if I've got any for 5 yet. If it takes a long time, you might have to go further, but work smarter, not harder. Multiples for 5, 1 times 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20. As soon as you spot one, which right here, 5, 10, I have in common with 1 there, we're good to go. There is a common multiple. There's probably more common multiples, but we don't care, because if we kept going with 2, we'd eventually get to 20, etc. But we're looking for the lowest or the smallest or the least. So the lowest common multiple for these is 10. Same thing. This time we're looking for the LCM of 13 and 8. I don't like multiplying 13 so much. Let's try it. 13 times 1 is 13. 13 times 2 is 26, plus another 13. Might have to do some adding on the side. 26 plus 13. That's hard to write. 9, 39. As soon as you think you might have one that's in common with 8, you can stop. Plus 13. 9 plus 3 is 12. 2 down, 1 up. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 52. No, still okay. Add another 13. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. No, not a multiple of 8. Keep in mind, if you're not sure, I would look at my multiplication chart. I'm familiar with the multiples of 8. In fact, let's do that for a minute. Take a break. 8, 16, 24. Remember, you can find these on your multiplication chart. 32, 40, if you're not familiar, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88. This is where I start to get a little bit, have a little bit of a hard time. 96, 104, 112. Let's keep going with our 13s and hopefully we find somewhere where they have something in common. Plus 13, 8, 78, nope. Plus 13, 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 down, 1 up. 1 plus 8, 7 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 91, no. Plus 13, 3 plus 1 is 4, 9 plus 1 is 10. Hey, boom, 104. That was a trickier one. The lowest common multiple for 13 and 8 is 104. And our final example, this time they're asking for the LCM between 3 different numbers, 4, 7, and 3. Let's start with their easier numbers. Hopefully it'll be easier for us to do it. 4, 8, 12, 16. I'm trying to think about when I'm going to hit a multiple of 7, because I think those are going to be the trickiest. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. I feel like no, 42 won't work. 49, 56, 63, 70, 77. Let's continue here. Okay, 16, 20, 24, 28. That one's in common, but I don't think 3 goes into the 28. 3, 6, 9, 12. Let me know if I've missed one. 15, 18, no, 21, but that wasn't on the 4 one. 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, but that wasn't on the 4, I don't think. Because then it'll go 20, 32, 36, 40, yeah, 44, 48, 52, 56. It's 56. Ooh, maybe? No, because if you think about divisibility rules, 5 and 6 add up to 11, and that's not divisible by 3. This is going to be a long one, I think. 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 64. We have to make these smaller. Keep going. Let's do some more 7s, shall we? No, let's do some more 4s. 60, 64, 68, 72, 76, 80, 84, 88, 92, 96. Okay, let's try some more 7s. After 77, 84. Maybe. So I see an 84 there and an 84 there. Maybe we'll get an 84 here. 64, 60, piddle. I made a mistake. 60 plus 3 is not 64. We'll change that. This is where it gets messy. You can see it can start to be kind of confusing. 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84. Yay! So we see that 4, 7, and 3 all have a multiple of 84. That is the first and lowest common multiple. Hopefully there won't be that many questions that are this time consuming. That's it for this section. Good luck.